Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Nisha, aka Future Coolest, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a curly hair routine, but instead of doing it the regular way that I always do it, I'm going to be doing it using the shingling method. I never used the shingling method before, but I've seen a lot of YouTube videos on it, and I've seen a lot of people that have done it, and I said, you know what, why not give it a try? So that's what I'm doing. The shingling method basically helps to really define your curls, and it's time consuming. From what I've seen, it's really time consuming, but if you want super defined curls and less frizz, then this is one of those methods that you might want to go to. I'm not doing nothing today. I'm not going on the road till later, so I said why not just do it even though it's time consuming. So that is what we're doing today. My hair is ready, freshly washed. I'll be using the Entwine leave-in conditioner. Then I'm going to be using the Cream of Nature Flexible Styling Snot. Okay, so these are completely two different products. This is a leave-in conditioner. This is more lightweight. This is a flexible styling gel. That's what I would call it. It's like a gel. It's thick and a little goes a long way. I use this to slick my hair back when I did a low sleek ponytail, and it held my hair down. So I'm gonna have to make sure that I go very light-handed with this because I don't want to weigh my curls down. I don't know if both these products are gonna work well together, so I'm gonna try it out before I apply it to my hair because I don't want any clumps or like white residue in my hair. So let's try it out to see if these products work together. What I usually do to see if two products work together is I just pump a little. Of one product and just mix them together in my hand. So that's both of the products together, and I just mix them together to see if they work well together. If they work well together, they shouldn't create any clumps. And this has white clumps, so these products definitely don't. Actually, yeah, these products do work well together. You can see it blended out in my hand. You can't even see any clumps. There's no clumps at all. So yeah, I can definitely use these two products together. Well, since I have it in my hand, I might as well just apply it to my edges. Okay, so let's jump right into this video. So you want to make sure that your hair is wet, not dripping wet, but at least damp or wet enough that it's easy for you to slide the product onto your hair. So I'm going to be working in sections because it's just easier that way. So I'm going to go in and apply my leave-in first, just a little bit, literally a dime size. My hair is wet, so I don't need to apply any water to this section. And then I'm just gonna go in with my styler. Again, I'm only using a little bit because this is a thick product. This is a very, very thick product, literally a dime size. That might even be a little smaller than a dime size. I just really want to smooth the product in. I'm just gonna put this white towel over just so you guys can get a better view of what I'm doing. So what you do is you just pull strands and you start from the root to the end and you just smooth out your hair. Doesn't matter how big or small the sections are. This is what the first section looks like. This is just me applying the product and separating it curl by curl. I'm gonna time it to see how long this is actually gonna take me to do. Super defined. After the middle part of my hair is always the driest part of my hair, so sometimes I kind of skip out or miss that area, and then when my hair is dry, I'll notice after, like, holy crap, I could have put a little bit more product on there. So with the shingling method, you actually get to focus on each section individually, making sure that you're applying the product evenly throughout your hair and like not really missing out a strand. So that's one thing I like about this method. That took me 33 minutes. Plus, that's not even including when I first started. So I'm gonna add about a minute onto that. So that took me roughly like 34 minutes, half an hour, a little over half an hour to do the shingling method. So that just tells me that if I was ever planning to go out and I wanted to do this shingling method, I'd have to do it way ahead of time. But my curls are really defined. I'm gonna let it air dry. I was gonna diffuse it, but I'm just gonna let it air dry because I feel like lately that's when I've been getting like the best results. So I'm gonna let it air dry and we'll see the final results when it's finished. So y'all, this is my final results. I was very pleased with my results. This is definitely going to be one of those go-to methods that I'll be using to style my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.